first potato harvest. Look at that. If you ever harvest potatoes out of your garden and see little white spots on it like that, don't worry about that. All that is the pores that the potato breathes through. When they get big like that and they start puffing out, it just means too much water on your potatoes. It just kind of plugs up the pores. But anyway, they're all fine. Just chop them up. You can eat the skin, whatever you want. But those little white spots, like I said, that's just the pores, the breathing pores. So, y'all have a good one. And I will see y'all later. Bye.